Day 4, Proverbs 4. I stumbled across one of the most confusing verses for me today. And it said, "The beginning of wisdom is this, get wisdom." And I was like, wait, but didn't it say that the fear of God is the beginning of wisdom? And then I flipped back to Proverbs 1 and it says, "The fear of the Lord is the beginning of knowledge." And so it got me thinking, is there a difference between knowledge and wisdom? And so let me know what y'all think. My take is that the fear of God allows you to understand his character and understand just how powerful he is. And then wisdom allows you to walk in his will and understand which way is right and wrong. So let me know. Peace.